Indonesia is in the process of digital transformation. Digital startup companies are growing. They innovate ways of doing business. However, innovation has never been an easy task. A Chinese company, Alibaba Clouds, helps to accelerate the digital transformation. I'm here now in an automotive workshop in Jakarta under partnership with Speedwork. Speedwork uses the service of Alibaba Clouds. The technologies company helps to link workshop to customers. It makes the job fast and affordable for customers and efficient for the workshop. Speedwork relies on the service of Alibaba Cloud to operate and, more importantly, to grow together.
Basically, Alibaba is our technology partner to enable us to run this business from on the platform and also this kiosk operationally because we use all application. So in a way, Alibaba help us in digitalization and transforming this kiosk to be able to go digital.
Kalau di Speedwork kan nggak ngantri ya, kayak bisa lewat online. Untuk macam-macam olinya kita juga bisa milih, di situ udah banyak variannya, kita tinggal sesuaikan sama kebutuhan kita. Harganya juga lebih bersaing sih, kita bisa lebih tahu harga-harganya. Untuk pembayarannya sangat gampang karena bisa melalui online, bisa lewat OVO atau M-Banking.
Besides Speedwork, there is Kopi Kenangan that uses the service of Alibaba Cloud. Kopi Kenangan uses application technology to improve its sales and service. It can deliver good quality coffee in affordable price to Indonesian customers.
We don't just use technology to increase store sales, but we use technology to find new stores using our heat map technology. We are at more than 600 stores in 45 different cities. With AliCloud, it really provided us scalable yet affordable service. We literally went from 0 to 1.8 million all through the support of AliCloud.